everyone. So this is the unit project on the life science, and it's going to be life science jobs. So for this assignment, what you're going to do is you're going to select one of the subjects that we discussed, be it the parts of the cell and their functions, the classification of living things, the six kingdoms, genetics and heredity, or ecology. And you're going to select your subject, and then you're going to brainstorm on a career that would incorporate those skills. So if you were interested in parts of cells, what's a job where you would have to be using microscopes to look at the parts of cells and their functions and improve the way that we understand cells? Or if you wanted to classify living things, you could talk about the different, you could find a job that, talks about the differences between the different classifications and why they are the way that they are. There's lots of research jobs and other types of scientific jobs that incorporate these skills. So you need to research, find one that interests you, and then you're going to create a job listing that depicts the required skills for that life science job. So you're going to make a fictitious job posting like you would see on Craigslist, and you're going to talk about all the duties that the job would require, the skill set that's needed. And then after you've created your listing, you're going to create a resume that is the ideal candidate for this job. So say you picked zoology, the study of animals, because that was something we talked about in the introduction to life science. So you could have a zoo posting where you're talking about you need somebody who's experienced in various types of animals and they understand all these different things. And so you're making an ideal resume for that job listing. And then after you've done the job listing and the resume, you're going to write a one-page summary about the job you selected, why you would or wouldn't want that job, and a picture that you associate with that job. So what you're learning from this assignment, for one, is you're learning how to write a resume, which is a great skill that transitions, that crosses just learning your science. It's something that you'll use the rest of your life, that skill set. Interpreting a job listing so you understanding what you want to put on your resume that would meet that job listing's requirements. This is a really good life skill. And then you're also researching and learning more in depth about a subject that interests you that we covered in this unit and possible real life applications of it. So the jobs that you could get from understanding these different sciences. So I hope you enjoyed.